Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an ICE Shin Godzilla. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our ICE Shin Godzilla, we're going to begin towards the top of our paper, and I'm going to make just a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve back like this for the eye ridge. Then I'm going to begin by adding a small little circle in there and a little one underneath for the eye. I want to make a little line that just kind of goes up and curves around. And then I'm going to add just a couple little bumps right here because there's a lot of texture on him. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up and down. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come back here. I'm going to make a little line that just goes down on each side to kind of show where the nose is going to be. I'll add a little bump right here for some more detail. Now I'm going to make this bump kind of like wavy like this. And then I'm going to draw this next one. It's going to come down to about here. Now I want to fill his mouth up with teeth, and he just has lots of like random sized teeth in here. Some are small, some are big. They're kind of coming out all over the place. So we'll draw a few there. I want to make a little line that comes down, kind of wiggly. And then I'm going to add a bunch of sharp teeth right in here. He's going to have a bunch of teeth all the way around here. And I'm just going to kind of curve these up to here so they kind of run right into that part of the mouth. I'll add a big long line right there. Then right here I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up. And I'm going to add a couple little curved lines and then bring this line down to here. Then I'm going to add some more bumpy lines all around here for the neck. I'm going to add a couple little lines to just kind of curve around here. Now starting here, we're just going to bring this line down. And then right here, I'm going to take this line out. Now I'm going to turn this into the arm, so I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come to about here. Make a little line that curves here. Another one that curves around. One more. And then one right here. Then we're going to draw a little line that comes back up for that hand. Make a little line that just goes down, and that's going to kind of curve back. Make a little line that goes out, and that's going to come back down to here. Make a little line here, and then another one right there. This one's going to curve down and up for a claw. I'm going to bring one around here for a claw, one more here, and then one more that you won't really see much of. I'm going to kind of continue this line down. Then right here I'm going to make a line that's just going to go out, and then it's going to curve back. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines for some wrinkles. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to curve up, or curve down. Another one that kind of does the same thing. We'll put one more here, and there's going to be an extra little one right over here. I'm going to make this line go up, and I'm going to curve it up. He's got really big legs. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a little line down, and we'll start the next leg. We're going to make a line that goes down. It's going to angle in. A few curved lines here. Line that goes down. Add a sharp claw, and then curve it down and up. Another one does the same thing. And then one more right here. Then we'll make this line go up, and that's going to kind of curve around. Got a little crazy there. We'll bring this one up. We'll add the little curved lines on here for the claws. And then right in here, I'm going to add a line that's just going to go down so we can start the tail. Then I'm just going to kind of jump out here, and I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to go around, and we're going to come right to about here. I'm going to leave some space right at the end, and I'm going to bring this tail right back to the body. I'm going to bring it all the way out to here. Now, this is like an ICE Shin Godzilla, so we want to add some of the different details on here. And instead of just making his normal kind of crazy big spikes, we're going to make these look more like icicles. So, we're just going to add some long, kind of sharp, jagged, pointy icicles all over, just to kind of go with his, you know, kind of different look. So we're just going to add some of these. We'll make them get a little bit smaller as they come down here, so it's like his body's turning. I'll put a few up here too. At the end here, instead of just having like, you know, that new face that's kind of coming out, I want it to be just like a big massive icicle. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down, comes to a point, and it's going to come back here. We'll add some extra little kind of wavy lines there, just to make it look like it's kind of forming. I'm going to add a little extra line right up there for some detail. Now he's got lots of different, you know, lines and everything on him. He's got so much texture. So I'm just going to add some quick texture, adding some curved lines in here. I'm going to bring a couple other lines right around here. You can really kind of like see different parts of his muscles in here, so we're just going to curve some lines up here. Curve some lines around there. I'll make a line that's going to kind of go up and then down. He's got this kind of pointed chest kind of part sticking out. A couple little extra lines. For the arms and everything, just do some quick little details on here. Extra little lines in different spots, lots of broken sections. You can add some extra little lines around his neck. I'm going to curve some of these lines around. I'm going to add some little lines here. A few more by his eyes. I'm going to add some little lines right by his mouth too. He's got lots of texture on him. Add some little details. I'm going to add just some quick little bump shapes like this, just to show where there's going to be like openings. You can almost kind of see his muscles and everything. We'll add some little texture lines on here. I'm going to add some curved lines here, a couple little circle spots just to show where his knees are going to be. And I'm just going to add lots of little broken lines all over because he's just really got a lot of wrinkles on him. Do the same thing here, kind of like a broken circle shape. And then just use your pencil, marker, whatever, just to add these long, extra little wiggly broken lines for lots of details. I'll make some lines that are going to kind of curve down like this so they can kind of run into some texture down here for like where his tail's going to be. Just going to add lots of little extra lines all over. Then I'm going to add just some long kind of curved broken lines right along here. Lots of details on here, just some quick little curved lines going up his tail. Maybe a few broken lines here for some extra details. A couple little lines on this little icicle spike at the end. I'm going to add just a little bit of texture down here too, like maybe some more little spikes kind of coming out of his tail. Just to kind of add something. His tail was kind of boring, so I just wanted to add some little spikes along here. A few more lines in here. You can never really add too many lines onto Shin Godzilla. He just has so many all over. We could probably spend an hour here just adding all of the different lines everywhere. Add some more lines onto the feet and on the toes. And I know I'm going a little bit faster through this part, so if I go too fast, just make sure you hit the pause button so you can kind of catch up here. But there's just so many different little details everywhere. I don't want to have to sit here and tell you guys every single line and bore you guys. Now the last part is in his mouth. So what I'm going to do is just add like a little circle shape. Then I'm going to add a few more little kind of circular oval shapes right around here. A few little extra lines everywhere. We'll add a few more teeth sticking out here. And then just a few little extra lines in his mouth. Then he's going to have this little tiny pupil right there. And here you go. Here is your drawing of an ICE Shin Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.